In this video we're going to chat about the Annke I61FB IP camera. This is a 1080p IP camera, so basically it's a 2 megapixel camera with a 4mm lens. Now in terms of the lens, in terms of its field of vision, you'll get around 67 degrees worth of view out of this. So this is ideal for outdoor applications, looking at a field or your garden or something like that. In terms of the infrared, it has IR LEDs there, and it has a range of around 30 meters in darkness. The camera itself can be powered up by a 12 volt DC jack over there, so if you have a long cable run, you can power it up by a remote source, as well as a PoE switch via the network interface over here. So you can use any standard PoE switch and it will work with this camera here. Now what's good to note is that the Annke IP camera is fully compatible with any of the Hikvision NVR. So if you're looking for a more cost-effective alternative, this is perfect for you guys. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to help you. Have a great day.